Okay, hello again class. So we are through with subtraction of fractions. So proceed tayo sa next operation, which is the multiplication of fraction. Now, mas madali ito compare mo sa previous two operations na addition and subtraction. Si subtraction po talagang pinakamahirap. Ang tatandaan nyo lang dito sa multiplication of fractions ay kailangan nyo mag-cancellation or ilo-lowest term mo yung mga fractions muna para mas maliit. Okay, simulan natin ngayon by fractions, by another simple fractions. So, for example, mayroon kang 2/3 of 6/8. Now, pag sinabi mong 2/3 of 6/8, pag sinabi mong of class, automatically yan na multiplication na yan. So, it is the same as 2/3 times 6/8. Okay? Multiplication ang of. Ang ibig sabihin ng of na to, that is multiplication. Alright. Now, ang sabi ni sir kanina, cancellation or lowest term. So, ang una mong gagawin, hanapin mo muna yung fractions na or fraction na pwede mong i-lowest term. Is 2/3 lowest term? Opo, lowest term siya. How about 6/8? Hindi pa siya lowest term. So, na-discuss na rin ni sir kung paano yung mag-lowest term. So, this will become, pwede sila sa 2, right? 3, and this will become 4. 6 divided by 2, the GCF is 2, and the 8 divided by 2, we have 4. So, pag nire-write mo yan, this will become 2/3 times 3/4 equal to. Okay? Next. Pag tapos ka na mag-lowest term, titingnan nyo naman yung pwede mong i-cancel or i-lowest term, simplify mo, na pa-cross ito at saka ito. Si 4 and 2. Pwede ba sila? Parang lowest term din? Opo, pwede. Ito magiging 1 and 4 will become 2. Cross cancellation tawag dyan. How about 3 and 3? Opo, pwede. So, this will become 1 also. Then, 3 magiging 1 also. Tama po ba? So, ang matitira dyan, we will have 1 over 1 times 1 over 2. Kasi ito na lang yung matitira class, oh. Kasi kinancel mo na. Yan. Diba? Mas maliit na lang na numbers. Okay. Once na lowest term mo na lahat ng numbers of fractions or na gamitan mo na ng cross cancellation, ang gagawin mo naman is just to multiply the numerator by the numerator. So, yan lang dalawa. Multiply mo lang. 1 times 1. Okay, we have 1. Over, multiply lang din ang numerator sa denominator sa denominator. 1 times 2, 2. Okay, now is your fraction, is your product in lowest term? Yes, it is in lowest term kasi na lowest term mo lahat dito. So, therefore, your product is 1/2. Okay, ganun lang kadali. So, cancellation, or cross cancellation and lowest term. So, another example, okay natin. Let's have 4/5 times or of 3/8. O, anong gagawin? Lowest term. Pwede pa ba ito yung lowest term? Hindi na. Pwede pa ba ito yung lowest term? Hindi na. How about cross cancellation? Pwede pa ba ito? 4 and 8. Okay, magiging 1. Magiging 2. How about 3 and 5? Pwede ba sila? No. So, remain silang ganun. So, pag nire-write mo yan, this will become 1/5 times 3/2. Okay? Sir, improper to. Change ko ba ng mix? Wag na. Hindi mo siya gagawing mixed number. Now, susunod, wala nang cross cancellation, wala na, lowest term, wala na. So, multiply ka na. 1 times 3, we have 3. Next, 5 times 2, we have 10. So, lowest term na, proper fraction. So, this is now your product. Okay. Last example, paano ngayon kung dalawa or tatlo or higit pa ang imumultiply mo? So, ganito lang class ang gagawin yan. For example, we have 4, 6 times 3/4 times 2/8. Tatlo. Pwede nga 4 yan eh. Pwede 5. Okay? Depende yan sa'yo. Depende sa given. Ganun pa rin yung step. Lowest term and cross cancellation. Sige, unahin natin yung lowest term muna dito. Meron pang pwedeng lowest term. Okay, ito. Kitang-kita naman, di ba? Yan. 2 magiging 2. Ito magiging 3. Tama po ba? Ano pa? How about 3/4? Pwede ba? Hindi. 2/8 pwede. Ito magiging 1. Ito magiging 4. Okay, para mas malinaw, i-rewrite natin. 2/3 times 3/4 times 1/4. Para mas malinaw siya. Ngayon, tapos ka na mag-lowest term para mas lumiit, gagamitan mo naman ng cross cancellation. So, remember, na numerator, denominator, hindi mo pwedeng i-cancel kung kapwa sila denominator. Sige, alin dyan ang pwede? Kitang-kita mo na to. So, this will become 1. Pwede mong gamitin to ha. O sige, gamitin ko. This will become 2. So, ang 3 at saka 3, yes, 3 and 3, this will become 1. This will become 1 also. So, wala na. So, pag nire-write mo yan, kasi 4, 1, lahat ng numerators dito, 1, wala na yan. So, 1/1 times 1/4 times 1/2. Okay. Pag ganyan na class, mas mabilis na siya kasi ita-times mo na lang siya. 1 times 1 times 1, you will have 1. Okay? Next, 1 times 4 times 2, you will have 8. So, your product is 1/8. It is in lowest term and it is a proper fraction. Okay, that's all.